Let's look at this simple question that portrays the plight of the average Nigerian worker. This shows the decline of the purchasing power of the average Nigerian between 2015 and 2025. Let's look at the question. In 2015, my salary as a Nigerian worker was 65,000 naira. A bag of rice was 8,000 naira in 2015. How much should my salary be in 2025 to have the same purchasing power if a bag of rice is now 120,000 naira? Okay, so this particular worker was earning 65,000 naira in 2015. At that time, the cost of a bag of rice was 8,000 naira. Now, a bag of rice is 120,000 naira. So the question is, what should be his current salary for him to have the same purchasing power he had in 2015? So to solve this, we are going to use direct proportion. Direct proportion is used when, as a value is increasing, the other value is also increasing. So if you see here, in 2015, the salary was 65,000 naira. In 2015, the bag of rice was 8,000 naira. So now, in 2025, a bag of rice is 125,000 naira. So what should be the increase in the salary, right? So we're going to use direct proportion. So let S represent the salary and R represent the cost of bag of rice. So the salary of this worker is directly proportional to the cost of bag of rice, okay? So it's expected that as the bag of rice is increasing, so should his salary increase. So we have to change this from proportionality sign to equal to sign. So S is equal to KR. K is the constant of proportionality. That is what we're going to use to compare the salary in 2015 and the salary in 2025. So we know the salary in 2015 was 65,000. We know that the cost of the bag of rice in 2015 was 8,000. So we fix them here. So 65,000 is equal to 8,000 K. So to find the value of the constant, we divide both sides by 8,000. So K is equal to 8.125. So this is the constant of proportionality. So now the relationship between the salary and the cost of the bag of rice is salary is equal to 8.125 R. Okay, so now we know the cost of bag of rice in 2025. So we impute it here to find the equivalent salary that should have made this worker to have the same standard of living. So that means if this worker is earning any amount less than what we're going to calculate here, it means the worker is getting poorer. Okay, so the bag of rice is 120,000 naira. So S in 2025 is equal to 8.125 times 120,000 naira. So that will give us 975,000 naira. Okay, so what does this tell us? This tells us that the purchasing power of 65,000 naira in 2015 is 975,000 naira in 2025. This means that if this worker is earning anything less than 975,000 naira, it means that this worker has become poor. And the sad part of this is, assuming this person is a government salary earner in 2015, I can bet you that in 2025, even with the minimum wage, you couldn't have earned half of this. So it shows that majority of the workers, especially the civil servants in Nigeria, are becoming poorer and poorer as the year goes by. I think we all should come out and speak about the welfare of our workers. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more mass content as we hope for a better Nigeria.